My mouth anymore.
Really?
Yeah.
Just got it on camera, but alright. How do it again? There we go. No, I haven't seen anyone else with a camera around here.
No?
No. Oh, I'd love to walk up there. But you can't get there, it's private land. No. You need to go to Croatia more often, you can walk everywhere.
On a chair?
On the chairlift, James. You hold the GoPro.
Chairlift. Return. We want them to return.
Yes.
£10. 10 tickets. Yeah.
Why don't you take the return with James, alright? I'll walk.
No.
Wait, a chairlift?
I don't mind. It's an experience, isn't it?
I want to walk.
If you want.
I'll do it one off.
I'm not going to walk.
It's fine.
It's okay, I don't mind. Either way, you should.
I mean, if you want to walk, you can walk.
Sorry.
Are you going to walk?
No.
Do I just jump off?
I don't know. We like some sweeties though. Is the sky blue? Or is the Pope Catholic? You see the throne behind the Pope at the Vatican? There's a stick of sugar over there. Sorry, there's also shortbread in the car.
We've got lots of stuff.
I complain about not having a camera, and there's a brilliant one. We're just walking by.
Oh, you got the GoPro. The GoPro's brilliant.
Yeah, the other guy had a Fuji mirrorless camera, so it's a bit better than a GoPro.
A GoPro's still good.
Yeah, because you throw it the
Here,
thing.
the cliffs used to be famous for all the different coloured sand, all the different coloured pigments. We used to be able to go down to the beach and fill a little jar up yourself of glass,
Yes.
but now
I can think how that
They ran out.
will be a bad idea.
you do it up here, but I think they might dye the sand. I don't know if you don't think you get the original sand anymore.
Oh no, they're running out of sand, so.
Well,
Well,
that's what you do. So Grandad used to go on the beach and do it. I saw it on the beach. I used to go down and see it, but I've never taken it off the beach myself. Right? Yeah. Good. So when you fill up the little jars and they make little patterns down it and things like that, that's where it's from, is here. Okay.
The needles.
both got camera, James. It's a camera off.
You fill it up and then they put a thing down the side. Make it coloured. You can tell I think they dyed the side.
Yeah, they've dyed it. They've dyed it.
Oh, the red colour. No, they haven't.
They've dyed it.
Do you think?
Oh yeah. You really think this isn't dyed?
Don't touch.
Yeah.
Yes. It's going on my Jurassic Park in real life album. Oh, what's my name?
Do you want to do a sound thing or not?
Sure, yeah.
You do?
Yes. Do you want to?
I'm not going to do one, but you can do one if you want.
If you don't want me to,
You
then.
can do one if you want.
I do like the island mat on sand.
You want the island?
Yes.
The map?
Yes. It looks nice.
Over this one, put up layer by layer. After every layer, give it a gentle tap into each corner, right the way up to the top. Once you finish, go to my colleagues, they'll see that and give you a stamp for it.
Thank you.
That's £10 then, please, thank you.
Oh.
And would you like your receipt?
Oh, yes, please. Thank you.
Lovely, thank you, enjoy.
There you go.
Yay! Fill it up, then tap
Each
it.
layer,
Each layer?
give it a little gentle tap.
Yes, I heard the instructions, don't worry. Don't worry, lad. Right, which colours do I want? Oh. Who wants to hold the GoPro?
You can record your son doing this. Is it?
I love it, personally.
Excellent.
Yeah, but I'm gonna let the guy said, I'm gonna let it set.
That is set, James. The right thing to do.
I'm gonna let it set. We put it on the stand for a reason so that it's set.
Good. You know he's not extra 1.4, right? You made it, James?
Barely.
Really?
That is 40. Yeah, I think it's 40 just before.
That is not quite right, James.
Yeah, that's not quite right.
Because according to this, our point. I think this meter is faulty.
Yeah, that's a 40 meter.
Yeah.
I'm only 1.2. I'm over 1.2.
So what did you say the last one?
That's a bit of Swiss. The meter is off.
It's faulty.
According to it, I'm 1.7 meters.
Ah. You're
I'm not. You're
Oh.
taller.
Yeah.
6 foot.
6'1", mate.
It's the floor.
No, we're gonna wait for you, Ma. Alright, Zoe, we're gonna wait for you.
This is where the, oh my god, Jurassic Golf Adventure, this is where it is.
Yes, where do you think we took you there?
I thought you guys just taken it. This is a bit tight around my head.
Is it?
This one. Yeah, that would be. It's decent. That's decent. It's decent.
Hmm? Yeah. Do you think it'll fit?
It'll fit someone.
You?
No. That's the biggest one. You don't know how much these are yet?
Well, James is paying for them, so you see.
Oh, I know. He is.
So
In
if
this shop.
it's-
Anything he buys in this shop, he's buying himself.
Yes, it's not 180 quid, it's fine.
Oh, there's no.
There we go. Caps. Children 7.
Adults 10. It'd be 10. You've got an adult one, I think, maybe.
That's okay. James, still, that's 10 bucks. It's still not a lot. Enjoy.
This one, I think, might be. I think they're all good parts. They've got 2 balls on them.
Oh, look at this. It's you.
Gypsy White. Yeah.
My goodness, pickup sticks, Zoe.
Yeah, so I've got 2 pickup sticks. The game. It's a bit more than that on the push me shove me.
You said to James. 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 James has left the building. No, he'll be in trouble if he has. James, I found dinosaurs.
What?
Well, to be fair, your mom found dinosaurs. I'm just hijacking her discovery. Come on, James, keep it focused.
I literally won one of these.
You did?
These were the arcades.
You probably spent more than that.
Yeah.
What's your name? Oh, hello, Tom.
Yeah.
Do you want your name, Zoe? Do you want your name?
No, I remember what my name is. I don't need it labelled.
Listen, you keep forgetting.
At least you haven't spotted these yet.
I already got one. I got blue.
You got blue, yes, you have.
So I don't know.
Oh.
Hey, it's like a hat, Zoe.
Blue is blue, and I support blue.
He's a pro.
Very different. That does look fun. We might be coming back tomorrow, so you know.
I just got this.
Don't panic for it. We might be coming back tomorrow.
Buy everything, James. Everything. Yeah, everything.
Time to think about it.
Oh, Zoe, come and look at this. Zoe, I found glasses for you.
Oh yeah. It's cool, dude.
Yeah, I need to get out of here. I got a headache.